Number 1. He worked on his desk for over 2 hours. Number 2. I had to stop the car because a cow was standing on the way. Number 3. We put some money in the central bank. Number 4. My friend lives in Missouri. Number 5. The train arrived on the platform in time. Number 6. She can finish the work in half an hour. Number 7. The hunter was aiming at a wild bear. Number 8. Our train did not stop at some of the stations on the way. Number 10. You must return these books latest till Monday. अब एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 देखते हैं. नंबर 1. The thief jumped off the roof. OFF. Number 2. I bought this pen for 5 rupees. Number 3. Please look at the blackboard. Number 4. When we were tired, we rested in the shade of a tree. Number 5. Please write your roll number with ink. Number 6. The building was destroyed by fire. Number 7. What time is by your watch? Number 8. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Number 9. You should learn multiplication by heart. Number 10. This furniture is made of wood. अब एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 देखते हैं. नंबर 1. Our train is due to arrive in 5 minutes. Number 2. It is not safe to walk in the middle of the road. Number 3. My friend was born in Agra. Number 4. Well-behaved boys do not laugh at others. Number 5. I had to open the lock with duplicate key. Number 6. I want a pen to write with. Number 8. Why have you written this letter in red ink? Number 9. My sister left on Sunday and I have not seen her from that day. Number 10. I am tired of waiting.